Today I'm going to show you how to turn normal text into glowing text. So let's get started without wasting any time. First, you have to open a new project. After that, click on text and then click on add text. Then here you have to write your name or whatever you want to write. Again, click on add text and write the same name again. Click on styles and make the text you just wrote white. Click on done. It is a bit more from here, so I will fix it. After that, you have to go a little to the side and here click on layers. Then move this white text to the back. Then go back and click on basic, and from here you have to do your work a bit properly. I am doing these settings. You can adjust according to your text. Alright guys, now you have to export it. I am doing it in 1080p. After that, go to your video on which you want to apply the text. Here click on overlay and add that text. Then go to remove BG and remove its background using chroma key. I will adjust it a little from here. After doing everything, go to effects and add glow from here. Do tell in the comments how you liked this tutorial. I hope you liked it. Do tell in the comments how you liked this tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you want to learn how to create 3D text in CapCut, the video link is in the description so you can check it. For more tutorials like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will meet you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye.